Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text italic in any font in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make text italic in any font in this document. At first I have to write some text. Now you can see here are my text. Now I select this text, then press Ctrl T to open a character menu. Then you can choose any of font. Now I choose this Marlet. Sorry, this ink free. Then you can see here are italic option. Now I increase italic degree to 0 to 40 degrees. Then press enter. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I make text italic in any font in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.